center of the car. Step back towards closing. Doors opening, step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car. Step back to allow the doors to close.